Hey gang, this is Kid Holmes, Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday, the 28th of January. Um, I'm in a little cubicle in my local library, and I want to talk to you today about a shift that I had this last week. I know I come to you often, well, always, about what we hold in consciousness, meaning that we create our own reality with our thoughts and the emotions behind the thoughts that create the actions that we take, that form the beliefs that we hold. And I've been working very, very diligently with my consciousness about everything that's been going on in this country. And this last week, the last 3 weeks, particularly things that have been going on in Minneapolis, I had a shift. I had a shift in this place of not only having faith, but actually taking action on that faith. And what I mean by that is recognizing that I've been flying under the radar a little bit out of my own fear, for my own safety, for what I might encounter on social media. Family and friends that might unfriend me or block me or criticize or any of those things. And that's going to happen. Of course that's going to happen. And everyone is free to express, of course, how they feel or what their own fears are, or not address their own fears. But I'm not going to remain silent anymore. I will remain in consciousness. I will remain in spiritual principle. I will practice being compassionate and clear and informed. And I don't participate in reposting things that I don't check out first. I don't gossip. I don't rant. I don't, that's a place in consciousness for me that I don't want to give energy to. I don't want to give my good, peaceful intentions to the energy of divisiveness or to fear, especially fear. I spent my life living in fear about what people would think. And I'm not doing that anymore. I've been working on that for many, many years, where I've become more confident in standing up and expressing my own voice. I mean, you've seen me do this over the course of 3.5 years of One Mind Wednesdays. My progress in being able to say what's on my heart, what's on my mind, and do it consciously, do it intentionally. And it's my experience, it's my expression. And what I found over the course of doing these is that it resonates with a lot of people. And as a minister, as a songwriter, as an artist, musician, that's what it's all about, is getting to the heart of things and expressing that no matter what people think. So my action this past week, actually just a couple of days ago, was writing to all of my congresspeople, my representatives, because a certain police force, I'm just going to say it that way, showed up where I live and the town that I live. And thankfully I found out about it, and it's not surprising, but thankfully I found out about it through another app where people are looking out for each other. I'm going to continue to support looking out for you, looking out for everyone I care about, no matter what color their skin may be, no matter where they came from, no matter what their beliefs in terms of their spiritual practice, no matter how they got to where they are in life. That's my job as a minister. That's my job as a person. So, a shift can be made, and it will come when it's right for you. I'm not telling you to go out and do anything that just, flailing about. I'm talking about practicing through meditation, through asking what is mine to do daily, hourly, minute by minute. What is mind to do in this moment that will serve the highest and best for everybody involved. Not just the people I agree with, but everybody. And that's hard sometimes. But I do it. Because it's a practice. And even when it's uncomfortable and I don't want to, I lean in, because I know that leaning in brings answers and directions and guidance that I know is mine and mine alone to follow. So that's the encouragement that I give to you today. That's your, say it's your homework for the week. Spend some time, as I always recommend you do, spend some time asking. Not what you think other people want you to do or any of that stuff, but what is yours to do. Yours and yours that only you alone can do. And sometimes you might not, I'm just going to say it, most of the time you might not like the answer because it doesn't look the way you want it to. But the growth and the healing and the expansiveness and the evolution of you as a human being, part of this one mind, this one planet, this one heart, it will grow you, it will shift you, and you will be able to serve in a much greater way. So that's what I got for you today. I have a lot of grief still. And mine is to not fly under the radar anymore. So I invite you to do the same. You'll be surprised at what comes up. You'll grieve what you need to let go of, and it will expand you in ways that you will never have expected will expand you. So be patient. You can be patient and proactive. You can be angry and still be peaceful. You can be courageous and kind. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for being here. Thanks for sharing this. Hang in there. Be gentle. And stand up. Remaining silent right now about what's going on is no longer an option. Period. All right. We're all a part of the one mind. We are all a part of the one heart. So everything we do affects everyone else. And if you are silent about the cruelty and the hatred and the violence being visited upon by hurt people hurting other people, don't stay silent. Because everything we do, as I said, affects everybody else. Kindness matters. Compassion matters. Justice matters. And love is the only answer. I love you all dearly, and I will see you next week. Take care.